I was diagnosed last year with sleep apnea. I went to a doctor to find out about it. They had me do a sleep test, and they said, yeah, you definitely stop breathing while you're sleeping. And they said my blood level would drop down to about 80% oxygen level in my blood. So after I was diagnosed with that, they told me that they wanted me to use the CPAP, which is basically like a nose mask that they put on you, and I really wasn't comfortable with that. So after a few months, Dr. Marion offered me a pamphlet that talked about a guard that would stop me from snoring and stop the sleep apnea. So I thought I'd give it a try, and it's really worked. Well, that was one of the biggest pushers to get the snoring and taken care of, is because she wasn't sleeping very well, as I wasn't sleeping well, and she was really concerned about me when I stopped breathing. And she'd sometimes she would try to wake me up. She'd wonder, well, is he going to start breathing again? When is he going to start breathing again? So I went out, and after Dr. Marion gave me the mouth guard, it's basically a two-piece guard that fits into your mouth. You bite down on it, and it helps keep your jaw in place, and that's the main cause of snoring, is your jaw falls back or your tongue 2 years ago, I would wake up with a start sometimes, like I had stopped breathing. I'd wake up and suck in a huge amount of air. It's kind of like I'd been holding my breath for a long time, and of course my snoring would even wake myself up. I couldn't sleep on my back at all because of the snoring. I found there was only certain positions that I wouldn't snore in, and of course my wife complained. So now when I sleep, at first wearing the mouth guard, it was a little uncomfortable because I'd never worn any kind of retainer or anything like that before. But after a week and a half or so of trying it out, I got used to it. Now I'm very used to it and have no problem with it. My wife enjoys her sleep, and I enjoy mine better. I can sleep on my back. I've never been a morning person, because I'd wake up in the morning and I was just so groggy half the time because my sleep would get interrupted so much. Now I'm actually getting up earlier than I used to. I think it's just knowing that when I wake up, I'm not drained when I sleep. Sometimes I feel like I would wake up more tired than when I went to sleep. And definitely my wife is happy because she's sleeping so much better, and without her rolling around, I sleep better too. So we're both happy, and that's the main thing too, is keeping the marriage happy. Very nice. That's one thing I really like about her, is she's very nice and pleasant. She'll sit down and explain things to you if you ask about them. What are you doing there? Things like that. It's nice. Yeah, I kind of thought that too, but once I read the pamphlet and saw some of the causes of snoring are your jaw slacking off, so I could see that if they had certain apparatus that would fit in your mouth, it'd definitely be more comfortable than wearing that CPAP on your nose every night, plus the noise of the unit that pumps the air through the mask. That could be bothersome.